In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for SEO keyword research, Traffic Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. This works on desktop and mobile, but a larger screen makes it easier to review results side by side with your notes. Give the page a second to load so all the interface elements appear. Next, log into your Grok account. This step is optional, but it's helpful because it saves your conversation history and lets you pick up where you left off. If you're short on time, you can skip this and still follow along, but signing in keeps your research organized for future sessions. On the home page, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. Think of this as your research partner. The layout is straightforward. A clean conversation area where responses will appear, and a minimal header or sidebar depending on your device. If suggestions or examples show up, you can ignore them for now. We're going straight to keyword research. Look toward the bottom of the screen and find the chat bar. This is where you'll type your prompts. You can paste text, press enter to send, and use Shift+Enter to add a new line if you're crafting a longer brief. Keep your prompt concise but rich in context so Grok knows exactly what to deliver. Now, ask Grok to create SEO keyword research. Be specific so the output is actionable. For example, you might write, create SEO keyword research for a local coffee subscription service in the United States. Prioritize low to medium competition, commercial and transactional intent, and include seed keywords, long tail variations, monthly search estimates if available, and suggested content angles. You can also add your target audience, location, products, and any constraints, like excluding branded terms. The more context you provide, the better the keyword set, clustering, and prioritization will be. If the first response isn't detailed enough, ask again for more depth. You could say, expand with keyword clusters grouped by intent and funnel stage, or add long-tail variations with modifiers like best, near me, and whereas. You can request SERP insights, related questions, or suggestions for headlines and meta descriptions derived from the keywords. If something looks off, clarify your niche, redefine success criteria, or ask Grok to sort by opportunity score combining volume and difficulty. Iterating is normal. Treat this like a back and forth workshop until the output matches your strategy. That's it. Go to grok.com, optionally log in, locate the chat bar, ask it to create SEO keyword research with clear context, and refine the results with targeted follow-ups until you have a solid, ready-to-use keyword plan.